Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this Excel video, I'm going to share two quick and easy tips that can seriously simplify your repetitive tasks in Excel. These are small tricks, but once you start using them, you'll save so much time on everyday data entry. This is going to be fun, so let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Use the fill handle for quick data replication. Alright, here I am, in a workbook with two sheets. Let's start on the first one. You can see I've got a simple list of months, along with revenue and units sold. Now, let's say I need to continue this list by adding the next few months, June, July, August, September, and so on. Normally you might start typing them in one by one, but that's way too slow. Instead, we're going to use one of Excel's best time-saving tools, the fill handle. Here's how it works. I'll click on the cell that says May. If you look closely, you'll see a small green square in the lower right corner of that cell. That's the fill handle. Now all I need to do is hover my mouse over that little square until my cursor turns into a small black plus sign. Then, click and drag down through the cells where I want the pattern to continue. And look at that! As soon as I release the mouse button, Excel automatically fills in June, July, August, and so on. Let's make that column a bit wider so you can see it more clearly. You can see that Excel has continued the pattern all the way through December and then loops back to January. Pretty cool, right? Pro tip. This trick doesn't just work with months. It also works with days of the week, dates, times, numbers, and even certain text patterns that Excel recognizes. So next time you find yourself typing the same kind of data again and again, just remember, the fill handle can do it for you in seconds. If you'd like to learn more about this feature, for example, how to fill series of numbers, patterns, or formulas, check out my other videos on this topic. But for now, let's move on to the second tip, which builds on this same idea. Tip number 2. Create and use custom autofill lists. Alright, for this next tip, I'm switching to the second worksheet, called Autofill with Custom Lists. Here, I've got a list of departments, things like finance, marketing, sales, and so on. Now you might think, great, I'll just use the fill handle again. But if I try to drag the fill handle down from finance, look what happens. Excel just copies the same word down the column instead of filling in a sequence. That's because Excel doesn't automatically recognize this as a pattern. But don't worry, we can fix that by creating our own custom list that Excel will recognize from now on. Here's how to set it up. Go to the File tab. Click Options at the bottom. From the menu on the left, select Advanced. Scroll down until you find the General section. Then click on the Edit Custom Lists button. This opens a window that shows all the built-in lists Excel already knows, like the days of the week and months of the year. Now to create your own. Under Custom Lists, click New List. In the box on the right, just start typing your items, one per line. When you're done, click Add. You'll now see your new custom list appear among the others. Click OK. Then OK again to close out of the menus. Now for the fun part. Let's test it. Back in the worksheet, I'll type Finance into the first cell. Then I'll use the fill handle, just like before, and drag it down. And look at that. Excel now recognizes the custom list and automatically fills in marketing, sales, operations, HR, and continues repeating that pattern as far as you drag. And here's the best part. This custom list isn't limited to just this worksheet. If I switch back to the first spreadsheet and type HR into a cell, then drag the fill handle down, the same custom list works there too. So, once you've created a custom list, Excel remembers it across your entire workbook, and even future ones, making data entry so much faster and more consistent. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. If you'd like to support my channel, you can click the thanks button below the video. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll see you in the next one.